Have you ever wondered what makes the Netherlands such a captivating destination? With its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and vibrant cultural scene, the Netherlands offers a unique travel experience. In this video, we will explore the top 5 cities to visit in the Netherlands. Before we dive in, we'd love to hear from you. Have you visited the Netherlands? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's embark on this Dutch adventure together. Number 5. Utrecht. Utrecht, located in the heart of the Netherlands, is a city that beautifully combines medieval charm with a lively modern atmosphere. One of Utrecht's most striking features is its unique canal system, which includes 2 levels, the upper street level and the lower wharf level, where you can find cozy cafes and restaurants right by the water. The iconic Dom Tower, the tallest church tower in the Netherlands, offers breathtaking views of the city for those who dare to climb its 465 steps. Visitors can also explore the charming Old Town, where narrow streets are lined with historic buildings, boutique shops, and vibrant markets. The city is home to several museums, including the Centraal Museum, which houses an eclectic collection of art and historical artifacts, and the Railway Museum, perfect for families and train enthusiasts. The best time to visit Utrecht is during the spring and summer months, when the weather is pleasant for walking around and enjoying the outdoor terraces by the canals. Number 4. Rotterdam. Rotterdam, known for its modern architecture and bustling port, is a city that stands in contrast to the more traditional Dutch cities. After being heavily bombed during World War II, Rotterdam rebuilt itself with an eye towards innovation and contemporary design. The result is a cityscape filled with striking structures, such as the iconic cube houses, the Erasmus Bridge, and the Marktville, a stunning indoor market hall with a spectacular arched ceiling covered in vibrant artwork. The city's maritime heritage is celebrated at the Maritime Museum, where visitors can learn about Rotterdam's history as one of the world's largest ports. For art lovers, the Boijmans van Beuningen Museum offers an impressive collection of artworks ranging from the Middle Ages to contemporary art. The best time to visit Rotterdam is from May to September, when the city hosts numerous festivals and outdoor events, taking full advantage of the warmer weather. Number 3. The Hague, Den Haag. The Hague, the political heart of the Netherlands, is a city of contrasts, combining stately government buildings with vibrant cultural attractions. Home to the Dutch government and the royal family, The Hague boasts many historic landmarks, including the Binnenhof, a stunning complex of buildings that has been the center of Dutch politics for centuries. Visitors can also explore the Peace Palace, which houses the International Court of Justice. The Hague is also known for its museums, such as the Mauritshuis, home to masterpieces like Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring, and the Escher and Het Paleis, dedicated to the works of the famous Dutch graphic artist M.C. Escher. The city's proximity to the North Sea means that visitors can enjoy a day at the beach in Scheveningen, a lively seaside resort with a wide promenade, a pier, and plenty of restaurants and bars. The best time to visit The Hague is from June to August, when the weather is perfect for both cultural exploration and beach activities. Number 2. Maastricht. Maastricht, located in the southernmost part of the Netherlands, is a city known for its rich history, charming streets, and vibrant culinary scene. One of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, Maastricht offers a wealth of historical sites to explore, including the impressive St. Servatius Basilica, the medieval city walls, and the underground caves of the St. Pietersburg Hill. The city's lively atmosphere is evident in its bustling squares, such as the Vrijthof, where you can find numerous cafes, restaurants, and shops. Maastricht is also famous for its annual events, such as the European Fine Art Fair, TEFAF, and the Maastricht Carnival. The best time to visit Maastricht is during the spring and autumn months when the weather is mild and the city hosts various cultural festivals and events. Number 1. Amsterdam. Topping our list is Amsterdam, the capital city and cultural heart of the Netherlands. Known for its picturesque canals, historic buildings, and world-class museums, Amsterdam is a city that never fails to enchant its visitors. One of the most iconic attractions is the Anne Frank House, where visitors can learn about the life of Anne Frank and the history of World War II. The city is also home to the Van Gogh Museum, which houses the largest collection of artworks by Vincent van Gogh, and the Rijksmuseum, which showcases masterpieces from the Dutch Golden Age, including works by Rembrandt and Vermeer. Amsterdam's vibrant neighborhoods, such as the Jordaan and De Pijp, offer a plethora of cafes, boutique shops, and markets to explore. The city's famous canal cruises provide a unique perspective of Amsterdam's beautiful architecture and bustling street life. The best time to visit Amsterdam is from April to October, with April being particularly special as the city comes alive with tulip blooms and celebrates King's Day with vibrant street parties and festivities. The Netherlands is a country that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and modernity. From the medieval charm of Utrecht to the contemporary architecture of Rotterdam, and the political significance of The Hague to the historic streets of Maastricht, each city provides a unique travel experience. And, of course, Amsterdam, with its iconic canals and cultural landmarks, remains a must-visit destination. Have you visited any of these cities? Share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel guides. For more travel inspiration and detailed itineraries, visit our website, The Global Yard. Happy travels!